everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 941 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have this ILLAMASQUA Loaded Lip Polish that I got in the shade Glaze, which is this clear lip gloss here. This is one of the products from my August 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. And I get a lot of ILLAMASQUA products in my Ipsy bags, and I feel like I'm pronouncing that brand name wrong. But it's exciting to me to get this brand in my Ipsy Glam bags because it's a pretty expensive brand. This lip gloss right here has a retail value of $25. I love lip glosses, especially lip glosses that have nourishing and hydrating ingredients in them, because those are what I need in my lip products. And this one here says that it has babasu and jojoba oils to condition the lips. So let's see the applicator. Oh, I like these types of applicators, the rounded, thin applicators. Here's what that looks like. I don't smell anything from this, but that is totally fine. We're just gonna do a swatch for the fun of it. Ooh, yeah, this looks very high shine. It's kind of hard to see the swatch on camera, but my lips need some hydration right now, so let's go ahead and see how this is. It's weird, the applicator feels a little bit dry as I'm applying it. And that one layer really does not do much. I was expecting some very high shine from this, but that is definitely not high shine. It's a little bit shiny, but really no more than basically a lip balm. I'm gonna go in with some more, and I tried to pick up more product on the applicator. It's weird that it felt so dry. Yeah, it still feels like the applicator doesn't hold much product. It's definitely not a very thick formula, but I've layered on quite a bit, and it does get a little bit more shiny when I apply more, but I'm not wowed by this. Like, it doesn't even really have enough shine that I would reach for this as a lip topper. But they don't look super hydrated either. I can still see a lot of the lines in my lips, which normally, well, I shouldn't say normally, but with a lot of other lip glosses, the lines in my lips smooth out a lot more than they're smoothed out now. But it is comfortable, it's not sticky. It's just honestly not very special for a $25 lip gloss. I honestly have dollar store lip glosses that I like so much more than this. It doesn't even have a scent either, and I feel like a clear lip gloss has to have a fun scent. At least that's my personal preference. And a clear gloss is never bad to have in your collection to just quickly and easily throw on alone or as a lip topper, but I just can't hide the fact that I'm not very impressed by this, and a little bit bummed that this is what one of my 5 products had to be in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, because even if it was this same gloss but in a color or something, it would just be more exciting to have in my collection. So I can't really say anything bad about this because there's nothing wrong with it. It's a nice clear gloss, but that's really all there is to it. I'm sorry this video was not more exciting. I thought I would have more excitement from trying this product out, even though it is a clear gloss. I've tried out lip balms that I'm very excited about when I try them in the videos, but that's okay. It's not like I'm disappointed and I hate this product. It's just is a fine product. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.